everybody, this is Kim and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking my videos out. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments, let me know what have you been buying from the semi-annual sale. Yes, I know we are so excited for the semi-annual sale, and I know everybody is in the stores almost every day, and I know y'all checking the website every day. But I can't forget about all of my people, so you know I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos. No matter what your girl put out, you're watching them. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you I keep posting. So thank you for supporting me. I truly appreciate it. Today this video is gonna be a Bath and Body Works haul, slightly semi-annual sale, because this sale started, well, they had a sale on candles, $10 off, so $14.95, and we wasn't for sure if they were going to make us use a code for the early access. We wasn't for sure about that, so I decided to go ahead and place an order before semi-annual. I think I placed the order like the day before, I think. But that's basically what this is. This is the box. So yeah, let's get into this box and see what I got, because I had coupons and I did not want to waste my coupons. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just take a chance and go ahead and order them. Yes, it was a little bit cheaper than the sale. I think I got these candles for, I don't even know, y'all, to be honest. I ain't even gonna lie, because I did call and I did get a price adjustment, so it all kind of worked out. Hopefully none of the candles is broke. As y'all see, they're all boxed up like they normally look. Yay. Okay, let's start with the first candle. The first candle is Black Cherry Fruit Pop, and as y'all do know, Black Cherry Fruit Pop is not coming with the lid. So let's see how they're shipping these candles. Are they gonna give us a lid or no go? Let's see. Let me open it up. Oh wow, they gave a lid. It's a different kind of lid. They gave a lid. Shock. It looks very narrow. Yes, the lid, see how small it looks? It doesn't look like the standard lids. Black Cherry Fruit Pop, and it did come with that dust thing, and as you see on the inside of it, the glue looks a little blue, and it most definitely have a chemical like smell. I don't know, y'all, and this is looking a little funky right there. I don't know what that's about. Yes, the candle looks a little weird right there. As y'all see those little ripples, I don't know what that is, but this candle, the lid does have like a chemical like smell. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna see, and it does have the old price tag, the $24.50 price tag. So I'm gonna show y'all the difference in the lids. This is Palm Tree and Paradise. Now these did come with lids, so let me see if the new lids is on it. No, this has the old lid, it looks like. Yes, this is the old lid. Let me show y'all the difference. Probably can't tell. You see how narrow the new lids are and how wide, how far down they go? So I guess that's a good way of telling which lid is which. Okay, hopefully y'all can see the difference, how wide this one is and how narrow this one is. So yeah, just FYI, the new lids is out. So again, Paradise Palm Tree in Paradise. Chocolate chip milkshake. And it came with a white lid. Wow. White lid, and it looks like it has the duster on it. This candle is so good. Oh my goodness, it is so good. I really like this candle. Medium throw. Don't be expecting a powerhouse. This is just a medium throw, but it is so good. Oh, I just love that mint ice cream note. Oh, it is so good. I really like this. Every time I smell it, I want to get more. I already have 3, and I said 3 is enough, but I really like the scent. Coconut Colada. Coconut Colada, my favorite candle. One of my favorite candles. Love Coconut Colada. This is in the new packaging. I had to grab another one, and all these candles have the old price point. Cream color wax. Again, y'all know it's a 3-wick candle. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Wow, just love it. That coconut rum, the pineapple, and the vanilla cream. This is so good. Oh my god, so good. I just absolutely love this one. Wow, I might have to order another one because I like it. I only have 2 from last year, the ones that had like that green packaging, or the green jar. I only have 2 of those. This make my 3rd one, so I might order maybe another one. I don't know, but love it. And the throw on this, now I don't know about this one, but the throw from last year, amazing. No issues, just really good throw. I'm not sure about a lot of these new candles that we got this season. The throw is just medium, and I'm not sure because of the whole lockdown, the situation that we was just into, you know, with a lot of companies being low on supplies. Maybe that's the reason why a lot of the candles is coming with more of a medium throw. I'm just assuming, because I haven't had a powerhouse yet. Yes, Summer Boardwalk, yes, berry waffle cones, those are known to throw. But like some of these newer scents, no, they only been thrown at a medium. So I'm gonna see. Hopefully this one throw real good. I hope, because it's just my favorite candle. Lavender coconut. You know, this has been out for a while, but because y'all know I love coconut, I had to get it, and I think this is probably my 2nd one. And the last candle I got is blackberry and basil. And the reason why I got this blackberry and basil is because for some reason I cannot find my other one. Blackberry and basil. This candle has been out for a long time. I wanted to compare these two because I think this one smells very similar to this one. That's just my opinion. And when I did it in my video, I only had my wax melts. I did not feel like going through all of my candles to try to find this particular one. So I said, okay, evidently I only have one, so I'm just going to order another one. So that's the reason why I ordered this one. So I'm gonna see if they smell similar. This one, I can't really tell. This one has such a this lid has such a chemical scent on it. I don't know. And as you see, let me compare. If you look at this lid, I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to see that or not. This lid, it's like blue. So you could get it, you can see it like around there. You see how it's blue, and I'm assuming that's the glue. And on the other ones, there's nothing, it's clear. So I'm assuming they probably still having some issues with the glue in the lids. Yeah. This one most definitely smelled like chemicals. I can smell the candle, but I also get like a chemical scent. I don't know. It smells a little bit like chemicals to me. Let me check another candle. I'm gonna check this one, since I know this one doesn't come with the lid. Let me see. And see, this one doesn't have that. It has that yellow like glue. Like I said, this one has that blue. The blue glue. This is more of a yellow, and this is more of a clear. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But this one, if you have any of your new candles that has that blue ring, leave in the comments and let me know, do you smell like a chemical? I don't know. I want to see if these two smell very similar, because when I burned this one, the first candle I thought about was the blackberry and basil. This blackberry and basil candle is very sweet. What's the scent notes? Blackberry, champagne, and basil. I can't even really get a good scent. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to do this at another time, because, and then like I know I'm not tripping. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know, but this is the newer one. This is the ones that they normally do. So basically that's everything I got. Yeah, that's everything I got. So, shocking, surprising, they didn't send none of those advertisement pamphlet things that they normally put inside the boxes. I guess they're not doing that no more. I don't know, but I didn't have one, which is good. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what have you been ordering online? What are the goodies you've been finding on semi-annual sale? Leave that at the bottom, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.